Oh, I'm having goosebumps right in here, and I just heard the word wedding. So let's see, kasal in Tagalog. Yeah, okay, let's see. What does it has to do with your reading? I'm actually smelling something mabango. Yeah, okay. Mabango plus wedding ang ating clues for this reading. Let us see more. This gives me positive goosebumps. Yeah. Okay. Positive goosebumps right in here. This reading feels kinda special. Let us see. Okay. Are you excited? Kasi ako na-excite ako. Definitely a wedding right in here. Hmm. Oh. The energy, no, is very strong. An energy here of this feels so magical to me. There's a lot of soul to soul connection here. Now, with the tower, presence of the tower right in here, it looks like the universe now is deeply involved in this type of situation right in here. Let me see more. Okay. I'm actually seeing dalawang kasal right in my vision ngayon. It's two different weddings happening at the same time. Are you getting my point, sweetheart? Okay. I'm seeing dalawang kasal, a kasal here, a kasal right here, now happening at the same time. Okay? And it looks like the universe is highly involved in this one. Okay? This is something here that I don't feel like negative. Let's continue. Shall we? Oh, araso. Yay. Wheel of Fortune right in here. Eight of Coins right in here. Page of Cups. This has to happen. At hindi ito dapat pigilan. These two different kasal ay kailangan mangyari. Okay? Others of you, mangyayari pa lamang ito. Okay? Pero ito ay para rin sa inyo. Yeah. But others, it could be the universe showing me, okay, that this could be the past life of you guys. Okay, so let's continue. But others, hindi ito ang past life ninyo. Ito ay mangyayari pa lang, no? But mga babes, no, this is not something here na dapat ay isisi kay universe, kundi bagkus may energy na dapat nyo pa itong ipagpasalamat. Yeah, no? I know you could be confused right now, no, of what I'm telling you because the information, no, is hindi ko pa binubuo, no. Let me just lay all the energy sa ating table first, no. But yeah, I'm getting it already. I'm getting it already. Okay, I'm seeing two weddings right in here. Okay, two separate weddings happening at the same time. Okay, we have here the Four of Coins, the Eight of Wands, definitely. Knight of Pentacles right in here. Bottom of the deck. Wow, look at that. The Knight of Pentacles energy, no, Six of Wands energy, no, it has to be fulfilled and it will be fulfilled. The World card energy and yeah, look at that. See, we have here the Two of Cups. See, I told you guys, no, this is something here na talagang ginagawa rito ni Universe just for you. Okay? So, I want you to be open-minded right here na pero wala tayo rito sa networking. Just take how this resonates, no? But I want you, no, to have your full attention. So, kung naglalaba ka ngayon, no, itigil mo muna ang pagkukusot. Kung nagluluto ka ngayon, ipatay mo muna ang kalan, 'yan 'no. Kasi ito ay isang importanteng message na kailangan mong maintindihan, lalo na kung umpisa pa lang during the shuffling ay feel mo na, ramdam mo na ang reading na 'to ay para sa'yo. So 'yan mga babes 'no, kung ikaw ngayon ay nasa office at nagta-type ka diyan, itigil mo muna ang pagta-type mo, 'yan 'no. Okey, at makinig ka dito. Ano man ang ginagawa mo, itigil mo muna 'yan dahil ito ay posible talagang maguluhan ka sa una na sasabihin ko kasi alam ko naguluhan na yung iba sa inyo, 'di ba? Ano yun, bakit dalawa yung kasal, bakit two separate na marriages yung or wedding ceremony yung nakikita ni Miss Yano, yaki. Kaya nga gusto ko na itigil mo muna 'no, ang lahat ng iyong ginagawa ngayon. Kaya kung nakikipagtsikahan ka lalo na sa chat 'no, or sa kapitbahay mo or kaopisina mo, katabi mo lang ang jupuan, itigil muna, para desisyon yung reader, makautos. Siyempre mga babes 'no, para mas ma-gets ninyo, pero bago 'yan 'no, batiin muna natin ang lahat. Hi and hello there everyone, my name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Eastern buyers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung hindi niyo pa alam, meron tayong main channel, ang link niyan down below sa ating description box na ang The High Priestess, kung saan hindi lamang collective readings ang pwede ninyong matagpuan, kundi pwede niyo ring matagpuan ang inyong love life. Chos! Ang inyong reading per zodiac sign 'no, meron din kasi tayo dun, okey? Kaya naman if interesado kang bumisita at tumambay dun, hindi kita pipigilan, i-click lamang yung link down below para makapunta ka there. At yun nga na wala tayong gender dito sa babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. So just take only what resonates and you can also switch roles dahil possible talaga magkapalit-palit yung roles dito dahil ito ay general reading. And at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na free ninyong gamitin anytime, anywhere. It's up to you. Okay? Pwedeng lumunok. Dire-diretso kasi yung pagsasalita. So yun nga 'no, timeless tayo dito 'no, but for others of you, the universe could be showing me yung nangyari noon, okay, sa inyong past lives 'no, but marami-rami yung hindi ito past lives ninyo mga babes 'no, pero may kinalaman pa rin yung past lives ninyo ng taong ito 'no, at ito ay mangyayari, it has to be fulfilled now. Yan 'no, here in this lifetime niyo dito sa earth. Yan, yung nakikita natin dito. Okay, so with this particular wedding 'no, definitely wedding talaga ito 'no, okay. Kung papansinin niyo shuffling pa lang 'no, nabanggit na natin yung kasal 'no, and then pinakita sa'tin 'no, while laying all the energies dito sa ating table na I've just seen, okay, two separate 'no, wedding ceremonies, okay. And I do pick up, okay, with this Ace of Wands right in here, and there's this Ace of Pentacles right energies 'no, I do see 'no, na ikaw yon at ang person mo, okay, meant kayong ikasal sa iba in this lifetime. But I told you guys 'no, maybe nangyayari na ito sa inyong past lives 'no. Bakit kailangan mangyari ito 'no, okay. So I do see that your person right in here, okay, and you guys 'no, the universe ay ginagawa ito para sa inyo. The Tower, okay, is the energy of the universe making this happen so that they can align your fortune, your destiny. Kasi ito ay bahagyang tumaliwas 'no, bahagya itong parang nagkaroon ng parang bangas 'no. So whatever the case may be, kailangan itong mangyaring kasalan na ito 'no, sa ibang mga tao rito or sa ibang maging partners niyo dito which are both karmic partners ninyong dalawa. Kailangan maikasal kayo dun para mai-align, ayan 'no, para mai-align ni universe ang destiny ninyo 'no. Para sa next lifetime, kayong dalawa na talaga yung magkasama, you know? Okay? So, I do not really know what specific situation happened here, no? Kung bakit nagkaroon ng bangas yung inyo ritong, what's this? That road ng inyong tadhana, no? Or the destiny right in here, no? But the universe will not let this happen, no? So, hindi puwedeng pabayaan lang nila ito, no? So, kailangan rito na maikasal kayo sa ibang tao, okay, para mai-align ng maayos ang inyong tadhana ng person meant to be mo talaga, 'yan 'no. So, for this 'no, this is something here crucial. It could be kasi, marami kasing dahilan 'yan 'no, pero bibigyan ko kayo ng clue, okey, kung bakit nangyayari 'yun. Kung bakit parang minsan may bangas 'no, ng tadhana 'no, na hindi naka-align 'no, but it has to be aligned. It has to be fulfilled so that the universe mapagtagpo kayo ditong dalawa in your next lifetime, 'no? At yung iba nga 'no, possible na nai-align nangyari na 'to, na ikasal na kayong dalawa sa inyong karmic partner noon 'no, at ngayong ngayong eto, buhay ninyo here on earth 'no, kung saan naririnig ninyo ako 'no, kung saan kayo nagtatrabaho at nabubuhay 'no, ngayon na kayo rito magtatagpo kasi tapos na yung pag-align ni universe 'no. Kasi inyong past life ay naikasal na kayo, pero yung iba sa inyo marami-rami pa rin 'no, na ngayon pa lang in this lifetime kayo maikakasal sa different person. Kailangan yung mangyari, sweetheart, para sa next lifetime ninyo pagtatagpuin na kayo ng tadhana, you know. Okay. So, you know that 'no, people, kilala yung tadhana bilang gulong ng kapalaran, 'di ba? And when we say gulong, it's round, 'di ba? So, I do see that the universe right in here 'no, in this tarot deck, this is not gulong. Look at that. This is like a film 'no, na sinasalpak sa mga sinehan 'no, and it keeps on rolling 'no. And with this type of particular old tape 'no, ganyan siya, puwede siyang i-rewind 'no. So, I think the universe is rewinding this para mai-align nila rito. As you can see, they're very focused, they're very detailed focused. Look at that, see? 'Di ba ganyan yung itsura mo kapagka meron kang tina-target 'no, ay kailangan pantay 'to, ganyan 'no. And also, look at that 'no, this is not a coincidence 'no. Look at that, focusing, targeting, making it sure that your life, destiny, no, ay maa-align na rito, you're gonna cross paths, yun ang goal ni universe. Okay? At, okay, ito ay bagay na kailangan mangyari. Kung sino man yung taong nakatakda para sa inyo, kailangan niya munang maikasal sa iba who happens to be his or her karmic partner. And so, ikaw din. Kailangan mo ring maikasal sa ritong karmic partner. No? But yeah, there's this instance as well 'no, na yung iba sa inyo 'no, there's this very magical thing na mangyayari 'no. Possible na una kayong maikasal sa ka-karmic ninyo in the same lifetime here on earth 'no, and then after that 'no, after that separation 'no, maaaring maikasal na kayo in this lifetime then with this person that you're destined to be with. See? This is something here 'no, beyond your expectations. Others of you 'no, hindi kayo naniniwala with past lives right in here 'no, but definitely your soul will recognize this person. Okay? Both of your souls 'no, will recognize each other because there's this type of feeling na parang feeling ko nangyari na sa akin 'to. Feeling ko kilala ko na si Collective 'no, and then Collective, you're also like that 'no. Parang feeling ko familiar siya sa akin. Parang feeling ko totoo nga na meron talaga kaming pinagsamahan dati. Even though hindi ko namumukhaan yung face niya, even though I do not know everything about him or her, nararamdaman ko lang 'no, and both of you are like that, okay? So, I do see mga babes na definitely if you're not meant in this lifetime, universe is making sure that in the next lifetime, talagang kayong dalawa na yung magkakatuluyan, no? So, it is not just a promise. toto pa rin talaga ni universe yun, no? Because the tower here is very powerful. The universe is very powerful. The divine unseen forces are very powerful right in here. And look at this. The Eight of Pentacles energy, Page of Pentacles, no? These are the army of angels. These are the battalion of spirit guides ninyo making this happen, aligning this because mabigat yan eh. Eh, mga babes, no? Hindi yan basta turumpo lang na ginanon. Mabigat yan, no? They need to spin it really hard, no? At sukat na sukat para magtagpo kayong dalawa ulit ng taong iyan. Ote! This is so magical right in here, no? Others could be thinking, nangyayari lang to in the fairy tale love stories, no? No, sweetheart. It's your love story with this person. This person is meant for you. At nakikita ko dito, no, that the universe right here is telling you to hang in there, patiently wait, because they are aligning here yung daanan para magtagpo kayo. Only the universe can make it happen. That road. See? Miss Yan, the big question is, mangyayari ba talaga yun? Of course! The Knight of Pentacles energy and the Six of Wands. Look, no? Looks who's about to approach you guys. Your person. Magkukrus talaga yung landas ninyo. Okay? And I do see na may pag-gift pa si universe because you patiently wait para matalagang ma-align na talaga ang inyong mga tadhana. No? Okay? Both of you, pag nangyari ito, okay, you will be dressed with luxury. No? You will be dressed with abundance, both of you. Okay? And there's nothing that you cannot have. No? You can have anything that you want. No? The universe is showering you blessings right in here. Both of you guys. Okay? So, I do see that this world, full of strangers, magtatagpo pa rin kayong dalawa. Hora! Diba? Wow. So yeah, I do see that those looks definitely look at that mirror, look at that mirror. It's the reflection. It's the reflection. This is your person, no? And with those looks, kilala niyo na yung isa't isa. Ote, this is your love story here, sweetheart. Wow. Okay. You know, universe is bringing this relationship, okay, together. Why? Because I think your love for each other ay nalampasan yung expectation ni universe. Wow! So for the initials rating here, yes, we do have. Okay, for some reason, nakukuha natin, no, yung letter T as capital letter. Maybe yun ang first name, first letter ng first name, second name, even surname, okay? And for the rest of the letters, shall we begin? We have here the letter N, nandito rin ang letter M, nandito rin ang letter R. Mawala ba ang letter P? Andito rin ang letter H. We also have here the letter L. And last but not the least, the letter I. So yeah, these are all the messages you've got right here. Awesome messages. No, feel so magical, sweetheart. Sarang hey, love and light again. I'm Yana on me. Bye bye.